Have you ever received comments like wanna be friends or awesome work, let's be friends? If your answer is yes, then this video is definitely for you. So hi guys, my name is Rohan and you are watching IT Cell. So from the last 7 days on my videos, every day I am receiving comments from YouTube channels such as Logan, Tim, Ted, Sound, Music, etc. etc. So let me show you what all these comments are. So this is my YouTube and this is my notification section. So this is a comment from the channel Logan and it is saying wanna be friends. Second one is the comment from the channel Music. Here before 30 subscribers. I hope you make it big one day. Next is wanna be friends again. Next is from the some random person Christopher Anderson and he's some unwanted comments he's typing. Then the comment is from the Music which is 2 days back and it is saying awesome job, this is insightful, let's be friends. Next is keep it up, this reminds me a few year back and so on. So guys, all these type of comments I'm receiving on my videos regularly. So this is a screenshot of my video which is posted 3 days back and it is showing one comment. Okay, and although it is not having any views, as soon as I have posted the video, it does not have any views, but it is saying that it is having one comment. Okay, so how this can be possible, I don't know, but let me show you what these channels are. So as you can see, this is the channel of Logan. Okay, if this channel does not have any videos, this is the another channel that he's having. So let me show you the video section of Logan, and it says that this channel has no videos. Okay, and also this channel has hidden his number of subscribers, and it has got a self tick mark. Okay, so this is the not the tick mark by YouTube, this is the self tick that he has used in his YouTube name. Okay, similarly, as we go to the about us section, this channel is joined on, or you can say the made on 24 March 2018, and similarly it is based on the United States location. So similar type of YouTube channel you can find it here. This is the same name another channel, and this is also a same name another channel. So let me go to this channel and see what it is having. So guys, as you can see, this is the second channel that he is having, and similarly it does not have any content. So actually I'm going to tell you what these channels are. Okay, so these channels are not a human operated channel, these channels are the bots which sees any kind of videos and comment on it according to it. Okay, so as soon as you get anything from these channels, any comment or any type of email from these channel, please don't reply to them, because either they can steal any of your credentials or any of your login information and can take your YouTube channel. Okay, so let me show you how you can be safe when you get these type of comments. Okay, so guys, firstly you should go to the YouTube studio. So click on your image icon, and here you can see the option of YouTube studio. So click on this. So this is the YouTube studio. So you should go to the comment section on the left side. So as you can see, here is the comment section. So you will receive some comments that is posted on your videos. So here is the published comment. Here is held for reviews. If the comment is inappropriate, then it will be coming to this section, and if it is having some spams, then it will come to this section, and you can finally check out and finally and approve that comment. Okay, so suppose as I have, you can see that I have already deleted that their comments. So let me show you how you can do that. So if suppose this is the comment, then you can see here the action menu. Okay, the three dots is the action menu. Click on this. You can either remove their comment or you can report. Okay, so this is the report section. So click on this report, and here you can see the unwanted commercial content or spam. So this is you can choose this option and finally report this content. Okay, so what this will do, so this will tell YouTube that these type of comments are basically spam comments, and if you receive this type of comments again, then it will likely to go in the spam section, or it will never show up in the YouTube videos. Okay, comment section. Also, one of the best way to protect your channel is to enable the two-step verification on your YouTube channel, where you will set your password. Along with that, you can set some other credentials. And if you want the topmost security, then you can use the hardware key or some kind of software or apps that can protect your channel. So now let me show you how you can enable all these steps. So firstly, you should go to your Google, and at the top right corner you can see your channel. Then click on this channel and go to the manage your account section. So at the right side you can see some menus. Go to the security section, and then here you can see some of the steps. Okay, so first one is signing into the Google. So you can enable your phone sign in by clicking on this option, and you can also enable the two-step verification because it is more protected than your password. Next thing is you can always choose a recovery phone number if your account is lost or if it's hacked by someone. So you can definitely get a recovery through your phone, or you can also choose your recovery email ID. Okay. Next thing is you should always put this option on off. Okay, this is the less secure app access. Always put this option on off. Okay, and if your this id if this Gmail id is having the YouTube channel, then definitely you should never sign in to other apps, third-party apps, using your this Gmail account. You can make another email account for signing into the third-party apps, but never use this Gmail account for signing. And always change your password. I think it's better to change password every month. Okay, so these are all the steps that you can take to make your account more secure. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel because I daily upload videos related to tips and tricks used by smart people. So guys, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.